Welcome back. Merry Christmas. Today I thought we'd go for a bit of a mountain run up the Gold Coast hinterland. Got the new GoPro, so let's see how it pumps out the footage, handles the sound. Chrysler kills it up these roads, obviously. So I'm going to catch this guy up ahead pretty quick. Not many overtaking positions on the mountain. So yeah, been away for a couple of weeks, but going to be doing some more filming now, back home permanently. Try and get you some more content. Definitely in the new year we want to start filming with both of the 300s. At this stage I've only been doing my one, but the wife's got same spec but just in white, and I might go out and do some cruises and yeah, try and get some cool footage. Now even though that is an old Subaru in front of me, that should smash it up these roads. It's obviously someone who can't drive too well. So down to 35k an hour. Jesus, all the way down to second. It's the problem with this road, it's unless you're doing it at night, it's nearly hard to get. Whoa, that's some bad line choice. It's hard to get a clean run up it. Hopefully the sound of the exhaust transmits into the cabin in the new GoPro. Thinking about getting some more accessories for it, but at this stage it's just straight out of the box, and this is one of the first test runs. The videos before you've seen were shot on like a GoPro Hero 3, so that was obviously a pretty old one. We're up to the Hero 9 Black now, and yeah, so far so good. Definitely be trying to get some mounts and do some footage outside of the vehicle, like exhaust sounds and such, and also a few new unique angles, but yeah, still got to order the parts, and they'll probably take a couple of weeks to get in. Oh wow, this is really punishing. There's one overtaking section on this whole mountain, and if I don't get it, this is going to be the trip up, which is a shame. It must be a big gap in front given how slow he's going. Geez, you're a terrible driver. Going on the double white lines around the corner. That's the opposite to apexing, my friend. I think this is it, isn't it? That's how you do it. Beautiful. Now it looks like on the straight he's got himself up to 60k an hour. Well done. There's one problem though, there's a corner, buddy. That's gonna fuck ya. And what are we catching now? Maybe a BMW. Still a little bit of water on the road from last night. Yeah, she's going to be slow. guess at least cruising going slow, you can still hear that exhaust note.